Hello traders. So let's start trading, but first let's discuss the rules that we are going to follow throughout the video. So there are basically three rules that we will follow. The first rule is we will try to go with the trend as much as possible. Second rule is we will wait for the market to get weak in order to place our trade with the reversal. And third, we will wait for the rejection. That is the most important part, and we will then trade. So we will combine all the three rules and we'll trade. So let's move on to the trading and use these rules. So now, okay, I think we have missed the trading opportunity here. It was an extreme level. Yes, it worked here. So no problem. We will wait for the next opportunity. It's ranging market, and we have an intermediate level here, which is our resistance. Okay, here we have an extreme level, but we cannot trade. Market is very strong. Look at the big candle, and we have another level here. Let me draw from this level to this. But now this is the weakness. It is a wick showing that the market is having bias right now. So we can trade. Let's wait for this candle, how this candle closes. If this candle closes above this level, then we can trade with the confirmation. Now I will remove this level so that you all should not get distracted. Okay, let me make the whole area. So we have the whole area here, and I will draw the intermediate level, which is here. Okay, this is not that strong, so we will wait for this candle to close. If this candle closes below this level, we can trade with the rejection. Right now the market is weak. We can use this level if the market goes down. So it's going up, showing market will cross. Okay, we have here another level. Let me draw it first. Okay, we have a level. It closes just after the candle, but I'm not satisfied. I will not trade here. I will wait for this candlestick to finish first. Okay, now we are good. We will wait for this candle close. Okay, it's coming down. We will wait for the closing of this candle. Okay, it is now okay. It's a good sign for us, and we can trade upward here. And why? The market gets rejection from this level. It was extreme support, which is now an extreme resistance, which is a strong level. Second, the market is weak. You can see this red candle reversing from the resistance. And third, we have the rejection on this candle. So I place a trade. So let's wait for this for the result. This is a kind of sign of reversal, a hammer. So we will wait for the result now. I'm confident that we will gonna win this, but let's see. Okay, it started to go down. Okay, and it's a win. So we fulfill all the rules, and that's why we won the trade. Now our next trading opportunity will be here, as the market is kind of reversed from that level previously. So we can use this level only one more time, not more than that. No level can be used more than 3 times because there will always be risk involved. So we will wait for the market to hit this level, but till then moves. Let me draw a level. Okay, this level worked here. Now we have a trading opportunity. Let me see. Yes, we have the rejection. I will place a call. So why I place the call is simple, because this was a strong extreme level, and this candle crossed it, and it was the reason why I placed instantly, because I saw here a whole number of 0.795000, which is very good to use as a support or a resistance. So as I saw this candle crossed this level, it means now the market will going to follow its trend. So I place the call for the next candle, or you can say that it's a breakout. That's why I place the call for the next candle, and we have the rejection as well. So overall we have a good opportunity. And so okay, so it's going up. We will wait for the market to hit this level. Now let's move to different chart. Here we have another level, but we will not go against the trend as much possible. Okay, so we have the area here. The market is not weak, so we will not trade for this level. We will wait. Okay, We will wait. We draw one more level. This is again a strong level, an extreme one. Well, this will going to be our last trade. So I will wait for the right time. Till now we have taken two trades, both completing the rules. Okay, it's getting weaker. Let's see if this candle is going to cross the level or not. Okay, this is the, okay, no, okay, it's the breakout candle, and market is now moving up. Let's wait for this candle. If this candle goes down, hitting this level, closing above, then we can place a call. As this candle crossed, break the level. So I will wait. Okay, as you can see, it's going up because of the breakout, but the market will go down again to complete its price action, and then we can have a trading opportunity. Right now we need to wait. Let's see in different chart. We have one level here. Okay, it is not weak. This level is looking strong, and I will trade as this is a breakout candle, so I will wait from this level as it is a whole number of, let me check, 1.227000. So it's a strong level, and it is showing that it was before working as a resistance, so now it will work as a support. We need to wait for the right time. We will trade with the trend. Okay, we just need a rejection as we are going with the trend. So even if we have even if we do not have a weak market, we can trade because we are going with the trend. We are not taking our trade with the reversal, but the level must be strong. This level is very strong. So let's see, let's wait. Market is getting weaker. Okay, okay, now we have level. Okay, it touched the level. I need a rejection. No rejection till now. I'm waiting. Okay, no rejection till now. Yes, we have the rejection. I place the trade and we will now wait for the result. We will hope to get a good winning here because we have the good rejection, a strong level. We are going with the trend. As per our rules, the market was not able to cross this level, and so we will wait for this and we'll finish this video with this trade. And I don't have to defend myself. It's a big win. No need to explain what I did here. The level was very strong. And why I didn't selected this level, because this level was a whole number and it worked very good here, and that's why I used this level instead of this. And so I will finish this video here. I hope you understand the point and you will follow all the rules, and if not, then try to watch more videos. You can skip the videos, the content, just try to see the traits that I have taken in the previous video, so it will help you more. And so I will finish this video here, hoping that you understand some points. And one more thing, if you have any queries, you can and if you are trying to contact me on Facebook, and then it will not be possible because I'm not using Facebook for the communication, because there are so many people who are messaging me same question again and again, so I stopped replying. But if you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can directly comment on any video you have, like any query you have, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and practice more, and keep asking me question. Till then, keep trading. Good day.